Hello, Dwayne Knickerbocker with Brower Mechanical, and today I want to talk about all the things that are free. Free advice. One of the things I've learned is advice is usually worth exactly what you pay for it. So be careful when you get free advice. Free country. I just feel so fortunate to be in this free country. So just a wonderful thing. Free yourself. Please don't free yourself of watching this video right now, because what we have to offer that is free for you is a free tune-up. And so why is it free? Well, one of the things is because you're a neighbor. Loomis is the neighbor of Rockland. We're located in Rockland, and because Loomis is next door, we're offering this free tune-up. So how is it free? The tune-up for your heater is $59. It will refund you the $59 back to you if you don't save that $59 in energy over the course of the year using your heater. So either way, it's free, right? Either you're going to save that $59 in energy, or you're going to get the $59 back from us. So either way, it's free, and that's one of the ways that we're making it pain-free for you. So if this is something you're interested in, please give us a call, 916-624-0808. Again, 916-624-0808, or go to browermechanical.com, and also you can follow us on any of your favorite social media platforms. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.